Hello everyone, this is Anon from Anon Math channel. In today's video, we're going to be simplifying a radical expression. The expression is root 75 plus root 50 all to the power of 10 times the quantity 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 3 to the power of 10. And as I said before, we're going to be simplifying this expression. So if you're interested in that, just watch the rest of this video. And after watching this video, if you enjoyed watching it, click like and click subscribe for more content. Great. Now, if you look at the expression, we have two factors with the same power, and we're multiplying them out. So in order to multiply them out, we need to multiply the bases and then raise the result to the power of 10. We need to multiply the quantity root 75 plus root 50 by the quantity 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 3, and then raise the result to the power of 10. Great. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at each of these two factors separately, and we're going to try to factor them and simplify them. The first factor is root 75 plus root 50. In order to simplify this, I'm going to go ahead and replace root 75 with the square root of 25 times the square root of 3, because 25 times 3 is 75, and we need to replace root 50 with root 25 times root 2. And we all know that root 25 is 5, so we have 5 times root 3 plus 5 times root 2, and then we can pull out 5, and we get 5 times the quantity root 3 plus root 2. So root 75 plus root 50 is the same thing as 5 times the quantity root 3 plus root 2. The second expression is 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 3. In order to simplify this, I'm going to go ahead and replace 3 with the square root of 9, and I'm going to replace 2 with the square root of 4. And by doing that, we get the square root of 18 minus the square root of 12. Now, since 18 and 12 have a common factor of 6, we can rewrite root 18 as the square root of 6 times the square root of 3, and then we can rewrite root 12 as root 6 times root 2, and by doing that, we can factor out root 6, and we get root 6 times the quantity, the square root of 3 minus the square root of 2. Great. Now we need to go ahead and do the replacements, and if we do that, we should get 5 times the quantity root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 6 times the quantity root 3 minus root 2, and then the whole thing is raised to the power of 10. Next, we need to multiply all of these factors out, and the interesting thing is this factor and this factor are conjugates, so if we multiply them out based on the difference of two squares identity, we should get root 3 squared minus root 2 squared, which gives us 3 minus 2, which is the same thing as 1. So our expression becomes 5 times root 6 to the power of 10. Now we can rewrite this as 5 times root 6 to the power of 2, and then raised to the power of 5, because 2 times 5 is 10. And by doing that, we get 25 times 6 to the power of 5, which is the same thing as 150 to the power of 5. So our expression is the same thing as 150 to the power of 5, and this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. As always, if you enjoyed watching this, click like and click subscribe for more content, and don't forget to leave a comment. Goodbye, and I will see you later in another video.